Chapter 12, Sequences and Series. Sequences stop and series go on forever. The sequence ratio, common ratio, equals the difference between each term. This is the equation for the arithmetic sequence. It's t of n equals t of 1 plus d equals, or times n minus 1. The d is the difference in between each number, and the n is number of terms. This would be term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, and term 5. Find the common difference and the seventh term. So to find the common difference, you subtract term 2 from term 1 equals 3. And to find the seventh term, you put term 1, which is 1, plus 3 times 7, which is here, minus 1. So it would be 1 plus 3 times 6. And then term number 7 would be 19. This is the recursive formula for an arithmetic sequence, and you have the bracket, and term 1 equals whatever that term is, or number is, and then t of n equals t of the term number minus 1. And then you add the common difference. If you have this problem, you take 3 and you put it right there and you add 4. So term 1 would be 3. The next one would be 7. And 7 plus 4 would be 11. And then you do your brackets. And you could also do the same thing over here. If they give you this formula, you could write a recursive formula. So you go t of 1 equals 3. And then t of n equals t of n plus 1, or minus 1. And then to figure out what the d is, you take 7 minus 3 equals 4, and you put that into the equation.
Go. This is the geometric sequence equation. This is the explicit formula. It's t times n equals t1 times r to the -9n minus 1. T1 is the first term in the sequence. R is the ratio, the common difference. N is the number of terms in the sequence, minus 1. So for this problem, it's telling us to find the fifth term in the sequence. To find the fifth term, you have to start by finding R, which you do by taking term 2 and term 1 and dividing them. So it would be 100 divided by 250, which is 0.4. So that equals R. And then you plug in the numbers. So the first term is 250 times 0.4. And you're trying to find the fifth term, so it would be 5 minus 1. So 0.4 to the 4th, 250. And then it would be, the 0.4 to the 4th is 0.0256 times 250. Which would equal 6.4, which is the fifth term in the series.
Okay, go.
This is the geometric sequence equation. This is the recursive formula. It is the first term number, and then t sub n equals the common ratio times the previous term. So for this equation, t1 is 18, and then it's t sub n equals -2 times 10 to the n minus 1. So to find the fourth term, you would do t sub 2 equals -2 times 18, because 18 is our first term, which would equal -36. And then you take -36 to find t sub 3, and you do 2 times -36, which would equal 72. And then you would bring 72 to find t term 4, which would equal -2 times 72, which equals -144. So the sequence for the first four terms would be 18, -36, 72, -144.